Okay, sir. Your credentials back. Here's your ID. Okay, we received a citation today for the no-through truck zone. You follow the prompts on that form. I'll tell you how you can take care of it. What's the last four of your social security?
I don't know what.
You don't know it? Okay. You have a number you could be reached at?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Okay, you are receiving a summons today for criminal mischief. I will need a signature at the bottom here. It's just acknowledgement. Of, it's not an admission to guilt, just acknowledgement of receipt. Okay. Okay, we'll have to make a mandatory court appearance at New Philly Muni Court, July 3rd at 1 p.m. Okay. Oh! God!